Straight like man, she climbing up and down that pole, her cheek steady clapping.
Woo!
This life you live is real. You can fuck around.
Get killed.
What's up, again? It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with another video. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, guys, so we are back with another video.
First video of 2022. First of all, Happy New Year, and I wish all you guys success. Nothing but success. I wish all you guys
a prosperous year.
Yeah. I hope all you guys write down your goals for 2022. You know, when I say write it down, you want to write it down so you can see it every single day you wake up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about you put it on your phone. Unless you put it on your screen protector or your home screen or something like that. But
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I don't want you to just write it down, hang it up on top of the roof.
And then don't look at it.
Yeah, look at the roof every day. Write down, make it put it somewhere you can see it, right? So yeah.
So yeah, guys, with that being said, we are coming to you all with a viral TikTok food. Are you ready for this, baby?
No, I'm not.
Are you ready for this, guys?
Because I don't know what kind of combination she got. She feel having shine, but
so
we're gonna see where it's gonna go.
This food is viral on TikTok, and I wanted to try it, guys. I wanted to try it because I like boils. So
you
this
like what?
Boils, like
boils?
seafood boils.
Oh, this is not seafood boil.
This kind of is.
And there's shrimp in there.
Anyway, you're right. So it's just an egg. Okay, it's an egg noodle boil from TikTok. So basically, you get noodles, any flavor noodles, because you're not gonna use the packet. You're just gonna use the noodles that's in there. So any flavor noodles, you get some eggs, and you get a bunch of seasonings, and you mix it all together, and they're gonna give you an egg noodle boil. Okay, so we have our eggs, we have our yellow onion, we have cayenne pepper, we have Jamaican, well, Caribbean traditionals all-purpose. We have onion powder, we have parsley flakes, we have crushed red peppers, garlic powder,
a few inches later,
paprika, Old Bay seasoning.
Never tried before.
Old Bay seasoning. We have some minced garlic here. We have our butter, because we're gonna need, I think, 2 sticks of butter, and we have our noodles.
Yeah, me, the food taster, because I don't know none of this stuff. I'm just a food taster. I'm just here so I won't. Technically, I'm just here so I won't sleep on the couch. You know what I'm saying?
Facts. And so I'm gonna be reading like the ingredients. I know for each seasoning it's a tablespoon. I think the butter is about a stick and a half, and then the water is about a cup and a half of water. So I'm gonna get a coffee mug and I'm gonna just fill it up with some water, and then yeah, we're gonna get right into this. So the water is warm, so whenever it starts to boil, we're gonna put some eggs in it. Babe, how many eggs you want? I'm gonna get 3 because I love eggs. I love boiled eggs.
How many eggs you finna put?
10.
I just need 1 then.
You just need 1?
Yeah.
What if you like it? I'm gonna make you 2.
No.
Alright.
Guys, I know me. I know her. She put 3, she's not finna eat all 3.
Yes, yes. Right now I'm finna measure out each of the ingredients on the plate, and then we finna go from there.
Yo, the onion now bun me now. Got some. Got some onion. Yo, y'all bun me. So this alright? The onion bun me, brother.
It sure do. Dang.
So that's some perky, huh?
So what is it? What is it?
Y'all know what I say.
Yeah, we know what you said, but
What you hear I say?
Paprika. So we got the eggs boiling. This one here messed up on 5 eggs.
No, I didn't. Like,
how many with 3?
It was like 2, bro. I ain't never boiled the water first, then put the egg in. I always put the egg first, then water, then boil it. I cracked 3 eggs because I never did this way before. It's not my fault, it's her fault for letting me do it.
Whatever.
Show me a cup. I can't do this semester.
So now what I'm gonna do is add the 2 sticks of butter.
Yeah, people. So you have the onion right so. We have the 50 million different seasoning. Plus that. Noodles right so. Egg.
They almost ready.
That. What the hell? Oh. Egg. I mean, you know what going right so. Guys, I'm gonna show you what. Oh, you guys, I can't see it if I fuck up.
Yeah.
But we'll show you guys what's going on. 2 stick of butter.
2 stick of butter.
2 stick, babe.
2 stick, babe.
Boy, you finna have the toilet going. The toilet finna go crazy tonight. For real. Toilet finna go crazy.
Finna go crazy.
But yeah, guys, I'll turn the camera back on once you reach a little, you know, a little distance from over there right now. You see me? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe to the video, man. Yeah, you. Yeah, what you doing?
He scared me.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, man. What y'all doing, man? It's 2022, man. It's time to level up, man. You feel me? If we don't promote anything, it's gonna be that. We're gonna promote the like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe again.
I don't know how it happened. At the age of 14, that's when I started rapping. Fuck them handguns, they shooting straight automatics. She climbing up and down that pole, her cheek steady clapping.
Woo! Cheeks stay. Oh, hold on.
At the age of 14, that's when
Come on, babe, do dance. Come on, bust down.
they shooting straight automatics. She climbing up and down that pole, her cheek steady clapping.
Woo!
This life you live is real. You can fuck around.
Get killed.
That's why you back your shield. The streets is
Enough. We can't play no more. Unreleased song, guys, by my bro, Josh. Unreleased song.
That go hard.
When that song drop, it's killing the streets.
Period.
Clearing it right now. I can't play no more. That's his song.
I'ma jam
when he
this
dropped
song in
that
my
thing,
car.
you feel me?
I'm jamming that in the car.
I'm posting in the description whenever he drop it. Hopefully he drop it soon.
All right.
But yeah, guys, check in. What's going on?
It's cooking. It's smelling good, but you smell
So
it?
far, as the guy can see the butter melt.
Yeah.
She put in the garlic
And the onions.
and onions. You see me? So that cook down.
Yep.
And then we take out the egg. Guys, this was the egg. Look on this side, look.
That's his egg. That's gonna be his egg, y'all.
Guys, look at this. Crazy. But yeah, should I put it in seasoning, mate?
I need to put it in now.
Oh, you want to?
I'm gonna put it in now.
Alright, come in. The people in my way for you, man. Come in, the people in my way for you. Drop that bad boy. Drop in there.
Babe, move this thing.
Move this thing. Oh, my bad.
You ready? You got everything?
Yeah, man.
Ooh,
In there.
la la.
Ooh, stir that bad boy. Alright, man. Is it stick up, sir? That's how it's looking, guys. So, we're gonna let that simmer down and cook down.
Babe, how does it smell to you? You smell it?
You can smell it a little bit. But yeah, I turn back a TV. I mean, not TV.
Babe, give me a cup of water.
Oh, more things are going with for it? Alright, guys, more
Pour it
show.
in, babe. Slowly.
Slowly?
Slowly.
She said slowly, so. As you guys can see, matter of fact, look at this crap, bro. This look like a damn snowman, bro.
Look at it.
What? I never seen an boiled egg come on like that before.
I guess because it sucked it all up. Period.
Alright, guys, so this done simmer down, you know. So we are waiting on the noodles. We kind of put on this
Oh,
water.
these ain't cracked, babe.
Huh?
These ain't cracked, so you good.
We kind of remember one of them was yours. So guys, we'll put on the water too late, so I put in the noodles once they start boil up, and then I don't know if this are going like this or this are going like this, but something are going like something.
That is going this.
Huh?
This are going this.
This are going this.
This are going this.
This.
No.
This.
Yes.
Are going this.
Yes.
All right. You see me? Like, comment, and subscribe. You see me? Journey with us.
Same spot.
You guys, see, she's threatening me.
I'm gonna cut you.
She got me in a corner locked up. She's threatening me. Check in. One that check in. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. You see me? Alright, check in now. Advise now, babe. What going on? Come on that side, man. Look on that side. What going on? Check in. What are you
Okay,
now?
so right now everything is done. Now we finna plate everything. So that's the eggs.
Egg cut up.
Yep, that's the eggs. And these are the noodles. I'm finna just put all the noodles in this bowl here. And then we're gonna put the sauce over the noodles.
Check in, man. Wake up, man. Check in.
I'm trying to grab all the noodles.
I think you grab enough.
Think so?
Guys, I just realized I ain't had these noodles in centuries, fam. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. John, I'm gonna miss it. John, no, I'm gonna miss it.
Oh.
Miss it, yo. I got y'all next time. Stay tuned. I got y'all next time. We're gonna talk the food, she sir. I'm cooking food. What's funny? I'm cooking food, brother.
You didn't miss it. You got it. All I did was do like this and do that water. Boy, that water touched that big toe. Okay, so we have the noodles here. Now I'm finna just take the eggs and place them all around the bowl.
So guys, when I asked her if she's gonna take out the egg yolk, she said no.
No, we ain't taking out no egg yolk.
Why?
Cause that's nutrition.
I ain't never had nothing like this in my life, bro.
All right, y'all. This is the sauce. So this is what it looks like after it's been cooked down. I tried to get him to taste it so he can see if he like it.
I'm tasting it.
It look good and it smell good.
You tasted it?
It smells. I taste a little bit of it.
All right, guys. Moment of truth, you know.
Here we go. Yeah, I'm scared. Okay, we're gonna see. Your turn. You gotta try the noodles too, babe. The egg ain't nothing.
Egg busting.
Egg busting.
I want some spice.
That's that cayenne pepper and the red pepper flakes.
I ain't too much on there.
Come on. Yeah. He like it. Yeah.
I'm not going somewhere with this one. Hold on.
I did that. Oh, he got a big bite this time. All right, come on, moment of truth.
Ass.
It's ass?
Ass.
Ass?
Ass.
Babe, really?
Ass.
Really?
Ass. That's the word. It's not now. Let's pay.
I was about to say.
Honest opinion, it's not bad.
Right? It's not
The
bad.
only thing I hate about it is the yolk.
The yolk.
I don't really like yolk. I hate yolk.
Really,
And
babe?
eggs. As you guys can look, I poured the yolk out.
He took the whole yolk out of them.
I don't like yolk. That's the only thing about it. Everything else is good. It got a little spice to it. The noodles kind of taste a little weird. The reason why
It tastes
because
soft.
I haven't had these noodles in a while. So you know the other noodles I eat is different kind, right? So I'm not used to that noodles. But otherwise, it's not bad. It got a little spice to it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Super soupy.
Soupy.
Otherwise, it's good though. I give it like a 85.
85?
Yeah, it's good. It's busting.
So I'm gonna try a whole egg because Javon be playing, y'all.
I ain't trying a whole egg.
Try this whole
I did try a whole egg. I just didn't eat the yolk.
You tripping, the yolk is good.
I don't like yolk. I eat yolk when it's fried. Look on the foot. Catch your foot. She thinks she do something now. She thinks she cook something now. And guys, she wanna cook once a year.
No, I don't.
Once a year.
Don't listen to him.
But yeah, guys, you gonna eat the whole thing on camera?
Nope.
But yeah,
It's hot. I'm already sweating.
I'm sweating. I don't know if you guys see, but I am sweating. It was good though, guys. You know, whoever came up with this idea of eating, mixing up stuff, it's pretty good. Shout out to you for doing this. But yeah, guys, we're not gonna keep recording, eating the whole bowl. We just wanna do this for you guys in the first video of the year. Once again, Happy New Year. Join with us. And yeah, anything you wanna say?
That's all she wrote. I did that thing on it.
Yep, it's pretty good. One last look. Like and subscribe. We're gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.